guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can copy and paste something from Facebook. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's open up the Facebook app, and here you can see, scroll down. Here you can see the post. If I want to copy that, I can simply tap on it and you can see text copy to clipboard. Now if I want to paste it somewhere, I just for example, if I open the comments, and you can see my copied text here, I can just tap on it and you can see I can paste it here. Also, if I can tap it here again, and you can see the paste option, and this is how you can paste. So guys, hope you guys like my video and hope you guys understand how to copy and paste something on Facebook. So guys, please consider your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.